Hello friends, I am going to complete a poem, My Last Dashes by Robert Browning. Videos on MCQ type question answer. Directly I will give you the answer, I will provide the information. I have already completed the text line after line in Bengali language. Let's start. First, we should see the picture of Robert Browning. He was born on 7th May in 1812. It was in England, London. The place is Camberwell. He died in 12th December in 1889 at the age of 77. He died in Venice, that was in Italy. Now it is in Italy. I told you he was Victorian poet. He had mastery in dramatic monologue. What is dramatic monologue? It is a type of speaking. That is the single man speaking. One man is the narrator and there is the presence of listener, but the listener has no speech. The listener is silent, but we can realize there is a listener. Dramatic monologue is also known as personal poem. It is a type of poem. Dramatic monologue is a type of poem which is also known as personal poem. Mono means single, a log, it came from dialogue. Now I am directly coming to the poem My Last Dashes. Original title was Italy. The original title of this poem was Italy. Browning published this poem in 3 times. First time it was published in 1842. This was the first publication. It was published in a volume of poetry. The name of the volume is Dramatic Lyrics. This dramatic lyrics had 16 poems. Next, the present title, My Last Dashes. It appeared in the second publication. The first title was replaced by this My Last Dashes. And My Last Dashes title came in the second publication. The second publication happened in 1849. First 1842, second publication was in 1849. Then in the second publication, the poem was published in the volume called Dramatic Romances and Lyrics. Lastly, in the third publication, what happened? Browning revised the first 2 publications and rearranges all those poems and finally published in 1863. The name of the volume was in that time Dramatic Romances. Viewers, these 3 publications happened during the lifetime of Browning. This poem published in many publications later, but in the lifetime of Browning, this poem published thrice. First in 1842, second in 1849, third in 1863. The name of the first volume was Dramatic Lyrics, second volume was Dramatic Romances and Lyrics, and thirdly, it was published in the volume Dramatic Romances. Now fourth, the poem was paired. The poem was paired with France under the general title of Italy and France. The poem was paired with France under the general title Italy and France. Number 5. Perhaps the speaker is Alfonso II, and this Alfonso II was the 5th Duke of Dash. The answer is Ferrara. It is a city in Italy. In this poem, there is a historical background, and the historical figure is said to be Alfonso II, and this Alfonso II was the 5th Duke, and he was the Duke of Ferrara. Ferrara is a place in Italy. It is a city, and it is said that he is the imagined figure. He is the historical figure. Next, number 6. My Last Dashes. It is the poem having 56 lines in rhyming couplets, and it is by whom? It is written by Robert Browning. See readers, it has rhyming couplets. Total lines 56. Number 7. Why was My Last Duchess written? The answer is, just as the Duchess suffered from the tyranny of her proud and arrogant husband, so did Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Elizabeth Barrett Browning was the wife of Robert Browning, the poet of this poem. So there is a touch of autobiography here. Just as the Duchess suffered from the tyranny of her proud and arrogant husband, so did Elizabeth Barrett Browning, poet's wife, suffered from the tyranny of her cruel father. This inspired Robert Browning to write this great piece of poem, My Last Duchess. Next, number 8. What is the mood of My Last Duchess? The mood of the poem is that of an ignorant, vulgar, insensitive, selfish, arrogant, and brutal man who is trying his best to sound like a cruel aristocrat. Number 9. This poem is set in 1564 and is based on the real life of dash. The answer is the real life of Duke Alfonso II, who ruled Ferrara, Italy, in the latter half of the 16th century. Number 10. What is the rhyme scheme of My Last Duchess? Here in this poem we see enjambed rhyming couplets. Number 11. How is Porphyria killed? The answer is, she is strangled. Number 12. What makes soliloquy of the Spanish cloister a soliloquy? The answer is, a speaker who is distinct from the poet, who has no implied audience. This speaker makes soliloquy of the Spanish cloister a soliloquy. Number 13. The poem is an example of dash. Answer is dramatic monologue. 14. It first appeared in 1842 in Brownings's volume of poem Dramatic Lyrics. This was the first publication. Number 15. The poem is written in 28 rhyming couplets of dash. The answer is 28 rhyming couplets of iambic pentameter. So it is written in heroic couplet, we can say. Total line 56. Number 16. The poem is set in an upstairs in private apartment of Duke's palace in the time of, the answer is, Italian Renaissance. Number 17. Who is the speaker? The answer is presumably the Duke of Ferrara, Alfonso II, I have told you. Number 18. In My Last Duchess, the Duke of Ferrara is addressing the envoy of dash. Answer is envoy of the Count of Tyrol. Number 19. A hybrid of a play and a poem. The mixture of these two makes dash. The answer is makes a dramatic lyric. 20. A major poetic technique Browning uses in My Last Duchess, and that technique is what? The answer is ekphrasis. Number 21. Love is shown to be dash. The answer is a strong emotion. 22. The tune of this poem. What is the tune? The answer is cold and arrogant. This tune describes the speaker's attitude towards his subjects. Number 23. Dramatic irony occurs when the audience or readers of a work of literature know something that the characters it do not. 24. In My Last Duchess, dramatic irony occurs when the Duke believes he is justifying himself in having his previous Duchess killed. Number 25. Historical background. What is the historical background of this poem? The poem is preceded by Ferrara, indicating that the speaker is most likely Alfonso II, D'Este, the 5th Duke of Ferrara. He ruled from 1533 to 1598. This Duke of Ferrara, Alfonso II, who at the age of 25 married Lucrezia di Cosimo de' Medici, the 14-year-old daughter of Cosimo I de' Medici. This Cosimo I was the Grand Duke of Tuscany, and Cosimo I was from the dynasty of Medici. They are in Medici family, and our present Duke of the poem is going to marry the daughter of this Cosimo I. So thank you friend. This is the first video of MCQ on My Last Dashes.